Hello everyone! Welcome to Pirates of Caribbean's ride of Tokyo Disneyland. We queued for only about 20 minutes, then we were able to get to the boat right away. This ride is not a very long ride, it is enough duration to enjoy. Look, there's a restaurant on the right side. It has different atmosphere on day and night. And after watching YouTube for the difference, we decided to take this ride at night so that it is more spooky. Can you feel spookiness? About to begin. Enjoy. おめえたちは冒険が好きでこの海賊の海へ来たんだな。そんならここはうってつけだ。だがぼんやりするんじゃねえぞ。 Oh no! What is happening? Surprise! There was a small drop. I was so scared to get wet. But thankfully I didn't get wet. Well, only a bit. My headband dropped and someone behind me gave it back. So you need to be careful if you're wearing a headband or any head accessories. What was that, by the way? I didn't get to see. Skeleton! More skeleton. Going to the next place. More skeleton. 'Surprise from Mr. Octopus.
Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn this city to the ground.
Surrender or what?
Fire at will. It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones. Get on broadside.
Wow, many people. Goat spotted.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for this winsome wench? Stout harvest and corn
The pirates are chasing ladies in circle. Cute dog.
Search all you want, Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map.
Oh, that is Captain Jack Sparrow inside the barrel. I didn't notice it. I noticed the dog more.
Here I be, holding the treasure,
the lady is chasing the pirate? Good. Come back. I hear cat. There you are, kitty cat. Oh, two cute cats. Everyone loves cats, including the pirates.
Come on now, be a nice little
The pirate is offering the cats drinks. Donkey. Dog again. Piggy pig. The prisoners are persuading the dog to give them prison key. Will the dog give them the key? You guess.
Here you go, dearie.
Nope.
Have a nice boy, eh? That's a good word. Come on.
Did you guess right? Wow, so close. So, the pirates are just casually shooting each other? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Did they always use the shots, or are they immortal? Or just shooting randomly for fun? This one looks like they want to shoot you. But they don't. Treasure room.
To all of my many shipmates lost at sea.
Wow.
Salute. As I need. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Rascals
Captain
and
Jack
scoundrels,
Sparrow.
bullies and knaves, drink up, me hearties, yo ho.
He looks
The
so
devils and
real
blacks, you were really
and
bad
sounds
eggs.
so
Drink up, me
real.
hearties, yo ho.
Pirate!
Drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this paltry sum as a stipend to cover my expenses. And a chest of jewels. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. It is true, I am a pirate. A bloody good one. That is a bad one.
Best part of the boat trip and the last one. See you in other videos. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Please support this channel by subscribing. Your subscribe and like means a lot for us. Thank you.